just a little teaser. We'll soon be starting on the cleaning up of all this. This is the block to go in the 754. We've got to work out where oil port goes for the pressure switch. Might have to make an adapter up for it maybe. Get a bung for in there. And it's had new liners fitted. So hopefully all this can go in. But we have got a slight little problem. Just a small problem, and that is, these are the bolts that belong to this head, which I've done up. But sadly, so you see, nice snug fit. But sadly, they don't fit in here. They're just too big. So I could use these small bolts, which were in there, but I'm not sure if I can do that and have that much of a gap. So what you all think? I think personally it would be alright. We've got the washers that go on top. Let me know what you think. If not, we'll get a kit for doing that head up, which belonged to this block. But yeah, hopefully all that is for the other engine, which we will build up onto the other block that had a hole in it. I'm going to hopefully get some liners and some Loctite to seal that up. We'll build that up for the 774, but at the moment we're focusing on getting this one sorted. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned.